Several studies have been published recently discussing the tremendous benefits of activity for children. Not just physical benefits, but academic, emotional, and social benefits as well. Therefore, we know that it's important to help kids incorporate physical activity into their daily lives. There are a lot of exercise and run club programs out there. So why should you choose Mileage Club? For over 30 years, Fitness Finders has been working directly with schools, fine-tuning Mileage Club to work seamlessly in a school setting. Here's some of the feedback we've received from schools over the years regarding Mileage Club. Playground monitors love Mileage Club because it's easy to implement and it cuts down on playground hassles. That's a win for everyone. Mileage Club is great for students who enjoy physical activity. They love the freedom to run as fast as they choose, along with the challenge to improve their lap time while earning awards. For students that are less fit, Mileage Club allows them to set their own pace and still earn awards and celebrate their accomplishments and improved fitness. Mileage Club is also great for students who are introverted. It provides them with an activity they can participate in at their own pace socially. Teachers love Mileage Club because students come back to the classroom ready to learn. We like to say that kids get their wiggles out so they're able to focus, and that focus can lead to better test scores, and that makes everyone happy. This is also supported by evidence that aerobic exercise physically remodels our brains for peak performance. In fact, neuroscience information indicates that exercise builds new brain cells better than traditional learning practices. Principals love Mileage Club because they report less behavioral problems from recess and the classroom. The physical activity that is fundamental to Mileage Club is a positive outlet for students. Mileage Club has also demonstrated it can be a beneficial program for students on the autism spectrum. Check out our blog post that touches on this important topic here. Mileage Club has been around for over 30 years, but Fitness Finders has been working with teachers and within the educational system since the early 1970s. We care about kids, and we care about educators. We strive to be a resource for schools in the area of physical education, but also provide innovative, motivational techniques and positive reinforcement for students in all academic areas. We don't just sell plastic tokens. We offer programs, curriculums, resources, and a community in which youth leaders can share ideas and encourage one another in their mission to positively impact the children who have been placed in their care. We invite you to join the Fitness Finders and Mileage Club family. Check out our Fitness Finders Pinterest boards for more articles, videos, and resources.